देखिए कई जैसे स्पेशली इस कपल में जो कि गे कपल है तो दोनों मेल हैं तो इनके स्पर्म्स यूज किए हैं हमने और एग डोनेशन किया। IVF is a acceptable treatment. It is a affordable treatment. आज हम बात करें तो हमारे पास affluent people, educated people, office people, business people सब लोग आते हैं जो लोग पहले इंग्लैंड अमेरिका जाते थे ट्रीटमेंट कराने के लिए। आज उनको ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस है हम लोगों के ऊपर। और देखा जाए तो हमारे पास जो इन्फ्लक्स है, जो बाहर से पेशेंट्स आते हैं, वो अंदाजन 10 पेशेंट पर मंथ आते हैं जिन लोगों ने IVF ऑलरेडी इंग्लैंड अमेरिका में किया हुआ है, उनको सब कुछ पता है IVF के बारे में। स्टिल दे कम टू अस, वन चेंज ऑफ हैंड एंड देन दे नो दैट डॉक्टर्स, जो इंडियन डॉक्टर्स हैं, दे आर इमोशनली इन्वॉल्व। दे विल मेक एफर्ट्स which the doctors abroad in the West they are unable to do.
Dr. Anup Gupta is a preeminent practitioner in this area. What do you say to the critics who again say that in effect in India, when it comes to surrogate mothers, especially those picked by those who come from outside India, it's often poor women and it's women who are doing it for money. Now, one way of looking at it is, so what? So what? I mean, it's the woman's choice. The other way of looking at it is, this is exploitative because it is like commodifying not just the woman's body and her rights, but also the entire process of motherhood.
To begin with, it is basically helping a couple, who are somehow, like Madam said, unable to conceive or unable to carry their pregnancy. And now we are talking about Indian patients. Indian surrogacy has been prevailing over years now. But now scientific achievement has come where you can genetically parent a child. You
can create a child in a petri dish actually.
No, but you can have the child in the petri dish only for 2 to 5 days.
Yeah.
Not for 9 months.
Yeah.
So you need a place to have a child for 9 months, and then only you can have a privilege to have a child of your own, genetically your own child, where you can see your image in the child.
It's helped deliver over 8,000 babies over the last 2 decades using assisted reproduction techniques as well as surrogacy.
You don't worry now, it's my job.
Making founder Dr. Anup Gupta a highly sought after figure in his field. It's something Dr. Gupta thinks cannot work in India, given the stigma attached to infertility. He says women opting for surrogate babies often wear silicone tummies under their clothing to fake a pregnancy.
In India, the confidentiality is required in surrogacy. It's like a bedroom scenario. Even the couple will not disclose to their parents that they are going through this because it is not considered good. It is female gets demoralized, and every female wants to carry their own baby. So when they do surrogacy also, they want to show that they are pregnant. And even to the nearest of kin and they don't want to show that it's surrogacy. Then how come a relative can come and do it?
Delhi IVF is one of over 3,000 fertility clinics in India. The clinic's founder, Dr. Anup Gupta, sees at least 80 cases of surrogacy every month. India's booming fertility industry is estimated to be worth more than $500 million a year. Dr. Gupta welcomes the bill and says this will encourage better regulation in the country.
Today the bill is open for debate and there are a lot of inputs coming from here and there, and that will add on to it. So it will improve, and it is to safeguard the surrogate and to the couple, to the doctor. So you have to have a modified application on these new bills. So probably things will do good.